Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hello everyone, checking back in on oil daily, weekly, shorter term time frames, and there was an interesting correlation between oil and the market today. Check out my SPY video I just put out for some more information on that. But we'll focus on just oil here, and we've got the clear tightening pattern, higher lows, lower highs, tighter and tighter and tighter. I don't think we're going to see a clear break tomorrow. I think we're going to consolidate a bit more, and I'll show it a different daily time frame. But the weekly middle Bollinger Band, 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row rejecting from that level, 46.31. High of today, 46.20. Just shy of that level, close above that weekly resistance, and we're looking at the 100-week 47.54 as the next key level. So that's a key resistance to be watching on the weekly time frame, trying to break from this tightening pattern. And let's look at that tightening pattern here on the daily. So clear, higher lows, lower highs, tightening ranges. You could be using trend lines. At this point, I'm going to be using the price action itself, the previous price levels to be watching for a bull break. So there's where some trend lines are, and you could also draw a steeper trend line from the most recent lower high. And sometimes I'll put different trend lines on the same thing, and I'll know if we break that one, we still have the second one to break, but different degrees of strength of that downtrend. So we had a bullish MACD cross, and again, I would anticipate some more consolidation tomorrow before a clear break in one direction or the other of this trend. And on the hourly, we can see we had an extremely bullish move, 7 huge green hours in a row, and now we're pulling back from that. So normal healthy consolidation, the RSI hit 70 on the hourly, and we're now pulling back, and we have 45.50, previously resistance to act as support. Then we would be looking down at 45.19. And this lower high pattern is very clear on the hourly. 46.55 was where we hit. If the bulls break 46.55, let's zoom out on the 4-hour chart. That would be a very bullish break, and the next resistance we're looking up at is all the way up here at 47.74. So 46.55 is a very key resistance. We are on the verge of a bullish MACD cross on this 4-hour chart, and we'll see how much consolidation is coming after this big move before the bulls attempt to show back up again. So very interesting. The biggest takeaway for me on oil today was the correlation with the market, and it gave a heads up as to being bearish on SPY in the S&P 500. And watching this tightening pattern on the daily time frame heading into tomorrow, and I don't think the break will come. Likely inventory report Wednesday. I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in tomorrow. Have a great night.